Let's have a comparison between Fedora versus Manjaro. Which Linux wins? So first we have Fedora Linux. It is a fixed release distro with new versions roughly every 6 months, and it's sponsored by Red Hat and serves as a testing ground for technologies heading into Red Hat Enterprise Linux. If we talk about the Manjaro, then it's a rolling release distro based on Arch Linux, which means packages are updated continuously. Fedora uses DNF with RMP packages. Software is generally stable and professionally tested, whereas Manjaro uses Pacman and benefits from the Arch user repository, which is AUR, one of the largest community software sources. Manjaro wins if you want access to cutting-edge packages and community builds, whereas Fedora wins if you prefer officially tested packages and enterprise-grade tooling. If we talk about the stability and reliability, then for daily reliability and predictability, many users prefer Fedora, and for consistent freshness and newest packages, Manjaro delivers. You can choose Manjaro if you want rolling releases and always up-to-date packages, and if you can choose Fedora if you want a stable, cutting-edge, but well-tested experience. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.